Hey beauty lovers! Are you ready to transform your lips into a soft, luscious treat? Today, we're diving into a fun DIY lip scrub that's super easy to make and smells absolutely divine. Taking care of our lips is essential, especially with changing weather. Dry, chapped lips can be uncomfortable and unappealing. A good lip scrub helps keep your lips smooth and hydrated, and who doesn't love a little pampering that leaves you with a sweet smile? This lip scrub features everyday ingredients like sugar, honey, and a dash of cinnamon. Sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, while honey provides hydration. It's truly a treat for your lips. The hint of cinnamon not only adds an incredible scent but also makes it taste delicious. Skincare should feel like a treat, don't you think? You can whip this up in just a few minutes, and it's budget-friendly too. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their beauty routine without breaking the bank. This scrub isn't just for your lips, you can also use it as a sweet face scrub. Just be cautious around your eyes. Ready to create your own lip scrub? Here's how. 1. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. 2. In a small bowl, combine the sugar and honey, then add a pinch of cinnamon and mix until you have a nice paste. 3. Take a small amount of the mixture and gently massage it onto your lips for about a minute. 4. Wipe it away with a damp cloth, and voila, soft, smooth lips. Be cautious with the cinnamon, too much can irritate sensitive skin. Also, remember to scrub gently. You want to exfoliate, not hurt your lips. And there you have it. Your lips are all set for a sweet smile with this easy DIY lip scrub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips. Happy scrubbing, hey beauty lovers! Are you ready to discover the secret to soft, kissable lips? Today, we're diving into a fun DIY lip scrub that's super easy to make and smells absolutely divine. Soft, luscious lips can elevate your beauty routine. They not only feel amazing but also give your confidence a real boost. With this simple sugar and spice lip scrub, you'll treat yourself to a quick and affordable self-care moment. 1. You'll need just 3 ingredients: sugar, honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Sugar gently exfoliates your lips, honey adds moisture, and cinnamon brings a warm, inviting aroma. 2. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and leaving your lips soft and smooth. Plus, it's gentle enough to avoid irritation. 3. Honey is an incredible moisturizer that locks in hydration, keeping your lips plump and healthy. It's like a little spa experience right at home. 4. Not only does cinnamon smell fantastic, but it also enhances circulation, giving your lips a lovely, natural flush. Ready to create your own lip scrub? Here's how. 1. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. 2. Mix everything together until you achieve a nice paste. 3. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips in a circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Wipe it off with a damp cloth or rinse with warm water. And just like that, you'll have soft lips. One common mistake is applying too much pressure while scrubbing. Remember, your lips are delicate. Also, avoid leaving the scrub on for too long. it's designed to be a quick treatment. And there you have it. A deliciously simple lip scrub that will leave your lips feeling fabulous. Why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. Hey there, beauty lovers. Ready to pamper your lips and make them irresistibly soft? Stick around, because today we're whipping up a delightful sugar and spice lip scrub that's not only easy to make but also a blast. Taking care of your lips is just as crucial as any other part of your beauty routine. Dry, chapped lips can be uncomfortable and ruin your perfect lipstick look. Plus, indulging in a little self-care can really boost your confidence. This DIY lip scrub is the perfect way to treat yourself while keeping your lips soft and luscious. 1. You'll need just 3 main ingredients: sugar, honey, and cinnamon. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, honey adds moisture, and cinnamon gives a delightful scent and flavor. It's a sweet combo your lips will love. 2. This scrub is super easy to make and costs just a few dollars. You probably have these ingredients in your kitchen, so there's no need to splurge on fancy products. 3. Making your own lip scrub lets you customize it just the way you like. Want it sweeter? Add more honey. Prefer a spicier kick? Toss in extra cinnamon. You get to create something uniquely yours. 4. Regular use of this scrub will transform your lips, leaving them softer and plumper, a perfect base for any lip color. 5. Not only does your smile get a makeover, but the process itself is a treat. You'll love the lovely scent and the satisfaction of creating something special all by yourself. 1. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. 2. In a small bowl, combine the sugar, honey, and cinnamon. Stir until it forms a nice paste. 3. Take a bit of the mixture and gently massage